All right, guys, what's up? How we doing today? I know it's Sunday. I normally don't put videos out, but we definitely have to talk about some stuff that's going on with AMC. Okay, I got a little fired up. Okay, so that's why I'm here. Yeah. So I see the noise that we're making actually online, guys, like with Twitter and what's going on with the YouTubers and all the chat rooms, right? I just think that we're focusing on the wrong things, guys. Like we have all this energy, right? And I know it's built up energy. I know that it's been tough, holding and holding all this time, right? And then everyone's wondering what's gonna happen, what's gonna happen. Trust me, I'm here with you guys. I am an ape. I've been here since January, right? I've been through this crazy ride. And right now, just to put it in perspective, right? Like I do have a lot of money invested in AMC. I could definitely pull that money out and like pay my truck note with it, okay? But do I do that? No, right? I'm still holding. And do I think of selling? No, okay? Because all the work that we've put in, guys, it's there. We have gotten confirmations over time and what we've done. And, that's what I'm talking about. Like slowly but surely, we have been making progress with the laws and the rules and the SEC paying attention. And like I said, we know how to make noise now, okay? And I think we need to continue on what the path that we were on, okay, for the movement. We're not here, we didn't get into this to say, oh, this person is has made this much money or this person is making that much money, right? And I am specifically, talking about some of the big YouTubers right now that we know, Review Dork, Matt Kors, right? People like that, right? It's all the chat right now. But like I said, we need to reverse. So just to touch on some of that stuff, okay, like that's what YouTube is for. Yeah, Matt, he got on YouTube, he created a channel, and he's doing what he wants to do on the channel. Okay, yes, he got big with the movement and whatnot, and he started doing the other things, the Discord and the super chats and all that. But that's why people get into the market and into YouTube, right? YouTube is a small business basically. Okay, so you have to find a way to make that income, right? That's only the way it works. It's just fair. Okay, so we can't be too mad at him. Okay, the thing is, I don't like that they're getting away from the message, right? The main message. What is AMC all about, right? To make changes, to buy and hold. And if you can't buy more, then you just hold, right? For the rest of us. The utilization has gone down a bit. So like we're not paying attention to the main things that we need to pay attention to and talk about, right? There's still a lot of things that we can do on our side. If back to the YouTube thing real quick. If you notice, I don't have a Discord, right? I don't want to make my money off the apes. I want to make my bag off YouTube, right? That's why I want the subscribers, I want the views, right? That's what I'm working on. Okay, I'm not trying to put merchandise out there. I'm not trying to have you sign up and pay a monthly subscription for these stocks and stuff. And that's why I did it the way I did it, because I'm not here to just talk about strictly about AMC. Okay, but I do have a lot invested in that. And in the meantime, that's why I have been doing all these other trades on the side, right? That's why I like Lucid and I like Bit Farms and all these other companies, right, that I hold, okay, in my portfolio. I don't just hold AMC, all right? So, but I am grateful for AMC. I love the community, it has changed my life personally already, right? So when I got into it, I was working a 9 to 5 and doing the usual, and look at me now, right? I'm doing a YouTube channel where I can do what I love and do what I want, right? I can talk and help people. And I'm here because I saw the opening, right, for what's going to come after. Okay, to me with AMC, it's not if, it's just when. Okay, and like I said, I will show you the data right now that we need to be paying attention to, and even a couple other YouTubers that haven't done me wrong through this whole thing, right, that I still watch, because when in my free time, I don't have a lot of free time anymore. Now with this channel, right, I'm trying to get my own people, my own subscribers, and people to a community, right? I'm trying to build my own community. But yeah, so I am fired up, as you could tell. I just don't, with Review Dork, I'm sorry. I used to really watch what he said back in the day, but he had that message of buy and hold, and he was firm about it, right? I did not like the fact personally that he said, buy and sell, because if you truly understand what's going on in the background, some of these shares are mixed in with the synthetics, right? And this is just, me putting my ideas out there, because I believe there is synthetics out there. So, they're mixed in with in all these folders with the people that are holding, right, in different apps and stuff. There's so many people in this, to me, that it doesn't add up to the float that is supposed to be 513 million shares, okay? And then, a couple of other things that have bugged me along the way is like, I respect Adam Aaron. I know he's trying to keep the company afloat, and that's good for us. But you know, a lot of people don't understand that when, you know, if you're a new trader, you know, in the future, that's why I'm here to try to give you guidance, because when we get that money, you know, you're gonna want to reinvest it in different things, you know, if you want to make more money in the long term. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to give people, is the knowledge and the ways to find out the information and go and trade with a good, you know, strategy and whatnot. Okay, but remember, we're going to war every day right now with the AMC, right? So the chart and stuff, yeah, it's manipulated, but it's still a stock, guys. Like when people say the charts don't matter, you know, I think the chart does matter, because it's telling you what it's doing and it's telling you where we're at, right? Even though it can be manipulated, guys, it doesn't mean that they're controlling everything, but it's manipulated, right? So they're controlling a piece of it, you know. Like I said, like, why haven't we made more noise about the dark pool stuff? You know, we're still trading at, we're not seeing the true price, in my opinion, still, right? And we're not telling Adam to do more about it. Okay, like, he listens to us. We have a big Twitter community, right, that we can go and message him and say, hey man, like, we need this done, we want this done, right? Why are we just fighting amongst each other? Is because that's what the short sellers want, that's what the hedge funds want, right? They're trying to turn us against each other, and they do this every single time before a big move. Okay, before, you know, the big move, it was the same thing, right? All this FUD, all these bots that go in the rooms and they start spreading all this misinformation, right? And they try to get us to turn on each other. But that was the beauty of this whole thing, is that we don't turn on each other. We support each other and help each other, okay? And learn and reassure each other that this is the way we're going, and it's gonna work, right? We're buying and holding, and stick to the basics of AMC, guys. You buy and you hold and you do your DD, and that's it, right? You guys are, in my opinion, are doing too much. There's too much going on right now that we need to focus on these certain things, okay? I think I covered most of what I wanted to say, you know. So let's move on to just the stuff that I want to point out over here real quick. Let me rearrange the screen here a bit, because we have to remember that there's data out there, there's facts that we can look at, guys. It doesn't have to be, you know, strictly opinions and all that, okay? So let me fix this here. Cool. And then the screen. All right, perfect. So let's go down here. Like I said, you know, I'm going to show you 3 YouTubers that haven't done me wrong, right? They give it to you straight. They give you the facts, right? You know, he just put out a video explaining, Tyler, a video of the gamma squeeze that's there, right? The data that we need to pay attention to, right? That I've been saying for a week now, or at least. If we go look at the options chain, guys, you know, we can do, what we can do is say, you know, tell all the apes, you know, for Christmas, why don't you buy AMC gift cards? Why don't you buy AMC shares, right? Why don't you gift somebody AMC shares if you can, right? Like, just an idea. So look at this. If we can make this push, guys, he's pointed out exactly what I wanted to say right here. Look at these that are out of the money. There's a lot of opportunity there, guys. If we can move the price, even Tyler, he said $52, right? If we can get that to that range, you're looking at a nice, you know, set of options. I'm looking at 60 right here, okay? Like, if we can get these in the money, look at this. This would be insane if it were to reach this, guys. It would push it even higher, right? Because like he said, and I agree with him for sure, is that a lot of these probably have not been hedged for the institutions, and you have to have the options knowledge. But what it means is that, you know, they sold these contracts basically, and they don't have the shares, you know, to back them up. So if they need to go out and buy the shares to back them up as it gets higher, they will, right? It's part of how it works. Another guy, Lou versus Wall Street, okay? I don't know if you guys know much about him. He's got a dirty mouth. I mean, he says a lot of swear words during his videos, but, you know, he's called about 80% of the stuff that has happened with AMC, okay? He's very knowledgeable. He's been in the background and done stuff behind the scenes, right, that we haven't done. So it's always good to collect as much, you know, information and make your own decision, okay? But, you know, at the end of the day, he has been calling it, guys, and he's well known, right? When I first started watching him, he had like 10,000, 11,000 subscribers, guys. Look, now he's at 71,000. Trades, guys. I mean, you know, this guy's good. He knows what's going on right now as well, and I respect him because he's not getting super involved. He doesn't do the whole, you know, live stream stuff and all that. And I think he's staying true to his message in his gut, okay? And that's what is just, you know, awesome. And that's why I continue to hold. And he's the one who, you know, really pushed me, and that's why I wanted to get more involved, and that's why I bought more shares back in the day, all right? Because his conviction helped me stay convicted and helped my confidence out, all right? So yeah, guys, pay attention to what we need to, not the drama stuff, okay? Because we don't do that. We're the apes, guys. We don't do all that stuff, all right? Just follow the simple rules, guys. Stick to the movement, stick to what we're known for, and we're gonna be all right, okay? Look at this. Remember, this is what we need to pay attention to, guys. We need to smack them with some buying pressure, right? The shorts, because they're gonna start. They're already bleeding, guys. That, you know, most people are up on their portfolios, guys. Like, there's so many apes that got in right here, guys. And then I know there's more here, but you can, you know, there's things you can do. Average down if you're negative, right? Average down, buy more, right? That's what we had to do when we were over here, guys. We got in, ran down, right? We were trying to buy, okay, hold, and then we held through this line. And then what happened, right? New apes came in. There's so many opportunities for new apes, and that's why I'm putting this message out there, because I know there's a lot of new apes, and I don't want them to get the wrong idea with the whole Twitter, you know, drama and all this stuff that's going on, because the movement is bigger than that. And that's why I do love that we don't have one leader, right? We have a bunch of people, and everybody that's in the AMC, if you're holding shares, then you have a voice too, okay? I have a voice for to put out my ideas out there, same as you, okay? So remember, let's stick to what we need to, guys. This is a big week for us. We have a big opportunity here that we haven't had in a while to show up, okay? We need to show up so we can get this bounce and put some pressure on them, guys. We need to hit these levels here again to see, you know, what they got. What do they got left, right? Let's see. And I don't want to go on too long, okay, but I just wanted to put this out there for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you tomorrow back to, you know, the regular scheduled program, all right? But I was just kind of heated, and I wanted to get this information out there, all right? So have a great rest of your Sunday, guys. Peace.